Friends, so I hope you all are good at your home and be safe. Yeah, I know 2 days in the in this month I not upload a video cause of many reason. So it is some big plan for you, that is about your exam on TERM-2, and some board have their annual exam also. So without any waste of time, just start it. Okay, first of all I'm gonna start MIL. What is MIL? It is Mother Indian Language. You can add also Hindi or what you want, your native language, your mother language, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali, what is if you want, right? Okay, so it's all about your exam, right? Yep. So if you are in trouble how to make a timetable to do, so I hope you wanna follow this. Okay, you wanna follow this will provide you best. We have how many days? Only one day to finish the February, right? And what we done? We not done yet. Okay, we have sleeping, eating, just enjoying the whole 2 months, Jan and Feb. Okay, it's okay, it's all time for the March. If you don't go, if you don't get up, then nothing will be happen. So I have a student who is my student. He just finished English. He just finished accounting chapter 2 chapters and business studies 3 chapter. So he tell that ma'am, I have the I don't finish my this my native language, my math, and my also my costing. You can say that it's economic. Okay, so how can I? It's also for Odisha board. Okay, fine. So how can I finish it, ma'am? Okay, I have give you the all of the plan. Okay, let's start. As you can see, I just written down all the chapters on this side, and this the plans. So you have days, how many days? 31st days. Okay, 31 days, right? 31 days. What to do in these 31 days, right? First, do on your 10 days accounting, English, BSM. Okay, do that, finish. If in 10 days, because he already finished 3 chapter of it, but try to finish this. How to finish this? Okay, let me give you a plan. Just give your 4 hour, first 4 hour, get up 5 a.m. If you're not comfortable, do your first 4 hours your fab subject, accounts, or your business studies, or your English. Okay, what you gonna choose. Then 4 hours you're gonna choose second, and then 4 hours you're gonna go third. So in this way you have to finish 2 or remain chapters in 10 days only. Okay, do you get that? Remain is 21 days. What you do in 21 days? Check the others subjects. Eco. Okay, eco, your math and your MIL or mother language. MIL, what is your mother language? Take it 7 days, right? Cause if your 7 days is going very good, because you don't get any chapters of this, so last 7 days give to this, and this gives to 14 days. Usually in this way, today 8 hour cost eco or costing, and next 8 hour is math. Okay, do you get that point? If you're not focusing today, then you can't be you can. So yeah, thanks for watching this, and so let's make practice all makes you what not a perfect, but yeah, you can never be struggle. So be practice, go to your study table and start studying. Okay, so yep.